Hi, Stephen. My name is Brooke. I'm with Snowdrop Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks on how you can enhance your online presence. These three things will optimize your website for Google. They will enhance your platform to convert more customers, and they will get more traffic to your website each month. Um, so 95% of the time, whenever someone needs a service, these days, they'll go on Google and they will search HVAC in Lenexa, Kansas. I know that this is not the only area that you service, but it is the area that you are based out of. So we're going to look at the competition here. The first thing that pops up on the SERP or the search engine result page are the Google guaranteed ads. These are harder to get in. They have a higher auditing process. It just gives higher trust with potential clients. Um, and it weeds out all of the spammy clips like the regular Google ads down here. Um, a lot of people do have ad blockers on their search engines, so you're not reaching your full potential whenever you're just running Google ads. Um, so there's the Google guaranteed ads, the regular Google ads, and then the Google business page. 30% of your business should be coming from here. The remaining 70% should be coming from the organic listings or from your website. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is content. That is everything that you see on your page. It is the words, the images, what the image is saved as, and even the space behind the image. Um, so while your website looks really great, there's not very much information on it. What Google does is 24/7. They have these web bots and they crawl the internet. They crawl every single website 24/7 and they gather information and then they use that information to determine where you are going to be ranked on the search page when someone looks for HVAC in Lenexa, Kansas. Google prefers that you have at least 1,500 words on your page and they want your keywords to be sprinkled out throughout the information. That way it flows and it makes sense and you're not keyword stuffing. The next thing we're going to talk about is citations. A citation is a direct reference for your company's name, phone number, and address. Um, you can get these on Facebook, Yelp, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages. The more citations you have, the better. And you do not want to just stop at how many citations Top Notch Heating and Cooling has. You want to beat them by at least 50 or 100 to really dominate them and stay at the top. Google does not only use citations to determine where to rank you in the GMB, they use your photos and your reviews as well. So just keep an eye on that and stay on top of it. The next thing that we're going to talk about are backlinks. I have a web crawler tool that shows us what is going on under the hood. So we're going to make a car reference here. So your car looks great. Looks great. It has the information that you want it to have. It's bare minimum needs, right? But once you look under the hood, you realize it's not going to get you where you want to go. You're not going to get from point A to point B as fast as you can with as many benefits as you can. So without content, these backlinks are useless. A backlink is like a popularity contest on Google. You can think of it as a voting system. It's a reference from one website to your website, giving your website more authority and power and trust, and therefore Google will use that information to rank you higher on the search page. Not all backlinks are created equal, so if and when you do get a backlink, you want it to have high power and authority, and you want it to be relevant to the services that you provide. So you're not going to go to a flower shop and ask them for a backlink on their website to yours because it's not relevant. Google's not going to have any use for that. I'm going to show you your top 3 competitors up here. These are from the organic listings, not from the GBP. So Top Notch Heating and Cooling, it looks like they are not based directly out of Lenexa. It looks like it's just one of their service areas. But they have a lot of information up here. So the more content, the better. They have a very high power rating and a low trust rating. They only have 25 keywords on this one page. And there are 52 people on this website each month. Now, this is just their Lenexa location because they also serve all of these as well. So their homepage is so powerful, they barely put any effort into getting one of their back pages ranked. in Lenexa. Okay, here is the number 2 competition, All Seasons Heating and Cooling. They don't have very much information there as well. They have a low power, high trust rating, 62 keywords, and they're getting 24 people on their website each month. They have some backlinks, but they're not very powerful. They're probably not very related to the service that they provide. I'm showing you this information to show you that this is very achievable. And if you want to implement these tools that I'm giving you, you absolutely can reach at least the top 3 of the Google page and get you more clients organically without having to make those investments in the Google ads or Facebook ads if you're running those. Okay, here is the MVP. Um, looks like they have a lot of good information as well. Let's look at what they have going on here. They have a high power, low trust rating. And again, this looks like it's just a back page. So they only have 48 keywords on this one page and 27 people each month on their website. Um, so, all right, yeah, if you use all those tools, you definitely will scale your business and you'll get more successful and you won't have to lean on all of the Google ads. If you have any questions or if you decided that I have a lot more to offer you and your company, feel free to reach out. We can schedule a short phone call and see if I can actually help you scale your business. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, Steve. Have a great day.